Right, good morning, guys. This is Miss Garcia. All right, this week. So yesterday, I didn't give you a specific assignment, or skill to work on for math, because I really wanted to focus on the sight words for reading and writing. Today, I am going to show you how you're going to solve subtraction problems this week. This is another skill. So we've learned how to subtract with pictures. We've learned how to subtract using a number line. This week, we're going to learn how to subtract using a tens frame. Okay? All right. So let's see. Here we have 5 minus 2. Okay, so we're going to look at our first number in our problem, and that is number 5. We are going to draw 5 circles in our tens frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 5 circles in our tens frame. Our problem says 5 minus 2. So minus 2, that means we're going to cross out 2 circles. So 1, 2. We are only going to count the ones that are left. So that is 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay? All right, we're going to do another one. Okay, so here's another problem. We have 8 minus 3. Again, we're going to draw this many circles. The first number is how many circles we're going to draw in our tens frame. So we have 8, so we're going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And our second number is how many circles we're going to cross out. So we are going to cross out 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, so now that I've given you 2 examples of how to solve a subtraction problem using a tens frame, you are going to try solving 3 different problems using a tens frame, okay? So the way that you can do this is you can draw your own tens frame on a piece of paper, and you can color in circles, or you can use beans if you have bingo markers or any little small objects that you can use to put in each box, okay? So however, whatever materials you have to use a tens frame, I want you to use that. Or if you want to use a virtual tool that we have, you're going to go to the My Teacher page, right? You're going to go to the math section and you're going to click this icon right here, Virtual Math Manipulatives. You're going to click that and it's going to take you to this website here. You're going to go scroll down and you're going to find right here, 2 color counter tens frame. All right? You're going to open that up and here is your virtual tens frame. So let's say that our problem is 5 minus 2. So 5 is our first number, so I'm going to add 5 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's 5 minus 2. I'm going to write that so you guys can see it. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is the problem that we're solving. So we have 5 counters for our first. Now we're going to take away. So in order to take them away, you just pull them off, okay? So if we have 5, we need to take away 2. So let's take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay? So you can make your own tens frame on a piece of paper, or you can use this virtual tens frame on the computer, whichever one you prefer, okay? It does not matter which way. But you're going to have 3 problems you need to solve, okay? If you're using um, this virtual one, just have your parents take a picture of you using this, just so that I can see that this is what you use to solve your problems. If you're using a paper to do it, then you would just upload a picture of that, okay? All right, good luck, guys. I'm excited to see your work.